340. Put this on there the other day. That on fuel pump. I ain't finished. I'm gonna give us some high heat on paint and I'm gonna do this over again. Got pressure was I'm gonna redo it again. But we see this car again. It's a goddamn. Got some that. Why don't put your chrome cover on the top of it? Give it like that. Take it down. Take it off down. And sand it. Put it back on it. Sand it and do it again. I ain't putting the cover on. I could do it with the cover if you want. But I'm gonna sand it down and paint it over. What I'm gonna do? See. Everybody want my baby boy. Yeah.
You said AC and stuff still work?
Yeah, it works, man. Everything's gonna work, man. Everything will work. Then around my car, hot man, and left it there. My spot. That's all good.
I'm trying to see if I should keep the top or not.
You keep your rhythm, man.
Yeah.
Keep your rhythm.
Put like a coat or something on it, make it shiny.
Keep your rhythm. I just believe that. Here's the rhythm. See, it's in there. I think I need to interior fixed up. Interior? Yeah. It's right. It's been a long time. The interior right here. Oh yeah, like tail line.
I think I seen the kit for like 125. That's the thing you were talking about for the day.
It's like stereo.
Oh, it's
My boy got the car about 3 years ago. I put that car in. Well, part and everything. Since I'm everything. Everyone fixed the home to get my brake tied. I don't believe everything. That's what I feel back up.
like all of them. Yeah.
Started with Cutlass, Monte Carlos, and Regals, man.
So suburban exploitations from the TV's plan.
Cutlass, Monte Carlos, and Regals, man.
So suburban exploitations from the TV's plan.
In 1988, when my grandfather passed, he left me a Monte Carlo and a large amount of cash. It was bubblegum blue with the leather plush seats, and I just can't thank you enough for all the stuff that you done. You see, my grandmother told me take care of the ride and always do your best to keep it clean inside. So I just had to go and get the candy paint, leather white out of sight that made the girls faint. See, my partner Eric, he got stereo, and my partner Steve got cruising bowls, and my dog Black got European front.